Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Audi A6 C6 rear light. To begin, gather your essential tools, such as a T20 torque screwdriver and a non-marring trim removal tool. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical issues and ensure your safety. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the location of the retaining screws and clips that secure the light assembly. This initial preparation will make the entire removal process much smoother and more efficient. Next, open your Audi A6's trunk and locate the access panel or trunk floor covering. Gently pull back this covering to reveal the light assembly's mounting points. You may need a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to carefully pry away any plastic insulation or trim pieces. Once exposed, locate the electrical connector attached to the light unit. Press the release tab and carefully disconnect the wiring harness to free the light from its power source. With the electrical connector detached, you can now focus on the physical removal of the light unit. Locate the retaining nuts or bolts, typically one or more, that secure the light assembly to the vehicle's chassis. Use a socket wrench or screwdriver to carefully unscrew these fasteners. Once all fasteners are removed, gently wiggle and pull the entire light assembly straight out from its housing. Be mindful of any remaining clips or alignment pins during this step. To reinstall, carefully align the new light assembly with its opening and gently push it into place until it sits flush. Secure all retaining nuts or bolts firmly, then reconnect the electrical plug, ensuring it clicks securely. Before fully reassembling, turn on your vehicle and test all light functions, including brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights. Remember to check the description below for links to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic deals. This final check ensures everything works perfectly and keeps you safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.